Good morning. This is the first part of our third lesson of the textbook, The Deep Water, written by William Douglas and presented by SK Jain, PGT English, JNV Katni. So, let's first know who was William Douglas and what did he want. William Douglas, a boy who was afraid of water, he used to get frightened as he saw water. This is the story which tells us how he overcome his fear of water. ये जो कहानी है डीप वाटर, इसके लेखक विलियम डगलस हैं और विलियम डगलस ने इस कहानी में अपने अनुभवों को बताया है कि किस प्रकार से बचपन में उनको पानी से डर लगना शुरू हुआ और कैसे उन्होंने इस डर से जीत हासिल की. दिस इज द पिक्चर ऑफ ए सी बीच. Childhood memory when he was 3 or 4 years old. William Douglas says, Father took me to beach. We were standing on the surf. Waves knocked me down. I was swept away. I became afraid. Father laughed at me. A terror overpowered me. I became afraid of waves since then. So when Douglas was only 3 or 4 years old, one day his father took him to the sea beach. They were standing on the surf. They were standing on the beach. Some waves came and knocked Douglas down. Douglas was completely covered by water for some time and he became afraid. Father laughed at him because father knew that the waves would soon go back and there is nothing to fear from the waves. But Douglas was very small boy, only 2, 3, 4 years old, so he developed a fear of water then. I became afraid of waves since then. उस समय से उसके मन में पानी के प्रति डर उत्पन्न हो गया. तो इस प्रकार से हमने देखा जब डगलस 3-4 साल का था और उसके पिता उसको समुद्र तट पे ले गए, तो जब वो समुद्र तट पे खड़े थे तो कुछ एक लहर आई और डगलस को पूरी तरह से डुबो दिया. 1-2 क्षण के लिए डगलस पानी में डूबा रहा. उस समय से डगलस के मन में पानी से बहुत डर लगने लगा उसके मन में. How the fear was generated. Now when Douglas became 10-11 year old, he wanted to enjoy fishing, boating and canoeing. He has two options to go to learn swimming. First, Yakima River and second, YMCA pool. His mother warned him. The Yakima River was risky. It had uneven depth. Many people had drowned in it, but the YMCA pool was safe. It was 2-3 feet deep at the shallow end and 9 feet deep at the deep end. The depth increased gradually. So we shall come to know that Douglas became 10-11 year old and he developed a liking for water sports like boating, canoeing and fishing, and he has two options to learn swimming. First, YMCA pool, second, Yakima River. But the mother of Douglas told that YMCA pool is safer than Yakima River. Yakima River was treacherous, it was risky, many people have drowned in it. It was 2-3 feet, it has uneven depth, but YMCA pool was safe because it had gradual increase in depth. At the shallow end it was 2-3 feet deep and at the deep end it was 9 feet deep. The depth increased gradually. फिर से समझते हैं कि जब डगलस 10-11 साल का हुआ तो उसके मन में इच्छा हुई कि वह भी नाव चलाना, डोंगी चलाना और मछली पकड़ने जैसे स्पोर्ट्स में भाग ले और एंजॉय करे, और वह तैरना सीखना चाहता था. इसके लिए उसके पास दो ऑप्शन थे, YMCA पूल और याकिमा रिवर. लेकिन याकिमा रिवर धोखेबाज थी, उसमें गहराई अनिश्चित थी, कभी अचानक गहरी कभी अचानक उथली, तो डूबने का डर था. बहुत से लोग डूब चुके थे. मदर ने चेतावनी दी कि उसमें मत जाना. इसलिए डगलस ने YMCA पूल ही चुना, क्योंकि इसमें एक किनारे पर 2-3 फीट गहराई थी, दूसरे किनारे पे 9 फीट, और ये गहराई क्रमशः बढ़ रही थी, अचानक नहीं बढ़ती थी. You can see here a picture of the pool. You may consider it as YMCA pool. ये YMCA pool समझ सकते हैं आप इसको. The first instance of the YMCA pool. Yes, so Douglas was every day going to swim in YMCA pool, and he used to go there and swim there. So Douglas used to go YMCA pool. He took new water wings. By watching others swimming, Douglas gathered confidence. He paddled with his new water wings. He tried to swim by copying other boys. He started feeling at ease in water, but then the misadventure happened. तो डगलस ने YMCA पूल जाना शुरू कर दिया. उसने नए वाटर विंग्स लिए और दूसरे बच्चों को तैरते हुए देखकर उसके मन में कॉन्फिडेंस जागा और उसने धीरे धीरे पैर चलाना और वाटर विंग्स की सहायता से तैरना सीखना शुरू किया. और वह दूसरे बच्चों की तरह हाथ पैर चला के तैरना सीखने की कोशिश करने लगा. और उसको जब सहजता महसूस होने लगी थी, उसको लगने लगा था कि वो तैर पाएगा, तभी एक मिस एडवेंचर, एक दुर्घटना उसके साथ उसी YMCA पूल में हो गई. A very healthy 18-year-old boy. What misadventure happened with Douglas? One day Douglas went to YMCA pool. There was no one except him. He sat down on the side of the pool and was waiting for others to come. Suddenly an 18-year-old boy came. He was very healthy with rippling muscles. He picked Douglas and tossed him into deep corner of the pool. Douglas landed in sitting position. He swallowed water. He was frightened. He tried to make a big jump. He hit the bottom with his legs, but he couldn't come at the surface. He tried once again, but he failed. What misadventure? कैसे मिसएडवेंचर हुआ डगलस के साथ YMCA पूल में कि एक दिन डगलस जब YMCA पूल गया, वह अकेला था. वह दूसरे बच्चों का इंतज़ार करते हुए किनारे पर बैठ गया. वहाँ पे और कोई नहीं था, वो अकेला था. तो जब वह किनारे पर बैठा था और दूसरों का इंतज़ार कर रहा था, तो अचानक एक 18 साल का लड़का आया जो कि बहुत हेल्दी और रिपलिंग मसल्स वाला था. वह फिजिकल स्पेसिमेन था और हट्टा कट्टा हेल्दी बॉय था, फिट था. He picked Douglas and tossed him into the deep corner of the pool. उस बच्चे ने, उस 18 साल के लड़के ने डगलस को उठा लिया और उसको यह कहते हुए पूल की गहराई वाले हिस्से में फेंक दिया कि हाई स्किनी, हाउ वुड यू लाइक टू बी डक्ड, कि क्यों दुबले पतले लड़के, तुमको यदि पानी में फेंक दिया जाए तो कैसा लगेगा. डगलस लैंडेड इन सिटिंग पोजीशन. तो जब डगलस पानी में गिरा तो वह बैठे हुए अवस्था में उस नदी पूल के बॉटम में पहुंच गया. उसने कुछ पानी निगल भी लिया था, वह डर गया था. He tried to make a big jump. So Douglas made a plan that he would hit the bottom with his legs, then he would jump like a cork, then he would reach the surface of the water, he would lie down and paddle with his legs and reach at the end of the pool. But he could not reach, he could not come to surface. He again started going down. He tried once again, but he failed. Stark terror seized him. Now Douglas planned to come out. He made a plan. He would jump, he would reach the surface. There he would try to lie flat and paddle to the edge of the pool. Many times he tried to do it, but he could not succeed. At last he gave up his efforts. He started feeling as if deep peace had fallen on him. No need to jump, no need to struggle, and to go to sleep. It's nice to be carried away gently, to float along in space, tender arms around like those of mother. Now I must go to sleep. He crossed to oblivion and the curtain of life fell. तो डगलस ने एक प्लान बनाया कि जब वह तली की ओर पहुंचेगा तो अपने पैरों से तली को हिट करेगा, जिससे ऊपर आएगा और ऊपर आके सरफेस पे वो लेट जाएगा और पैर चलाते हुए किनारे पहुंच के बाहर आ जाएगा. लेकिन जब वो ऊपर आता था तो उसकी नाक और आँख बाहर आती थी, पूरी तरह से बाहर नहीं आ पाता था. ऐसे उसने एक दो बार, तीसरी बार प्रयास किया लेकिन नहीं आ पाया और अंत में वो अनकॉन्शियस हो गया और उसके बाद उसको याद नहीं कि क्या हुआ. अगले वीडियो में देखेंगे आगे क्या होता है.